have comforted me. The Lord has made me to rejoice from my sorrow, and my soul as the water garden, and I will not sorrow anymore. There's hope in thine, saith the Lord. For thy children shall come again unto their own border. And now behold, I die, but God shall be with you and bring you again unto the land of your fathers. So let the virgins rejoice and dance, both the young men and old together. For the Lord has turned my mourning into joy. For the Lord hath comforted me. The Lord has made me to rejoice from my sorrow, and my soul as the water garden, and I will not sorrow anymore. Oh, my son. Joseph, my son.